In 2025, the digital landscape is more crowded than ever before. Standing out online is tougher than ever, with countless businesses vying for the same audience. When people need answers, solutions, or products, the first thing they do is turn to search engines, and that includes your potential customers. They're actively searching for what you offer. With millions of sites competing for attention, just having a website, even a great one, simply isn't enough to guarantee visibility. You need a strategy to rise above the noise. That's precisely where SEO, search engine optimization, comes into play. It's the key to unlocking your online potential. SEO tools are your essential digital toolkit, providing the resources you need to navigate the complex world of search engine rankings. They're like having a secret weapon, giving you the insights to outsmart competitors, identify opportunities, and fix hidden website issues that might be holding you back. Without them, you're essentially guessing, relying on hunches instead of data-driven decisions. And in today's hyper-competitive market, guessing means losing valuable ground to your more informed competitors. Over 70% of companies now treat SEO as an essential investment, not just an optional add-on. They recognize its critical role in driving traffic and revenue. The right tools have the power to transform overwhelming data into clear, actionable steps, providing a roadmap for success. They help you determine which keywords to target to attract the right audience, what technical or content-related issues to fix on your website to improve its ranking, and precisely where to focus your efforts to get ahead of the competition and capitalize on market opportunities. Think of them as your always-on 24/7 team of expert consultants, constantly monitoring your website's performance and providing valuable insights. Therefore, the real question isn't if you need SEO tools, it's clear that you do, but rather which ones are the best fit for your specific needs and goals. Two industry leaders, Semrush and Screaming Frog, stand out from the crowd, offering powerful features and comprehensive data. However, they offer very different strengths and cater to different aspects of SEO. Understanding how each works, their unique capabilities, and how they can complement each other is the first crucial step to dominating SEO and achieving online success in 2025. Meet Screaming Frog SEO Spider, your website's technical health inspector. It crawls your site like Google does, flagging broken links, redirect chains, and duplicate content. Perfect for technical SEOs and site managers, it's essential for regular checkups and smooth site launches. The free version covers up to 500 URLs, enough for most small businesses to fix critical errors. Before spending on ads or content, run a Screaming Frog crawl to ensure your site's foundation is solid. Now let's look at Semrush, the all-in-one command center for digital growth. Semrush goes beyond technical fixes, offering keyword research, competitor analysis, and content optimization. Discover what your audience is searching for, how hard it is to rank, and what your competitors are doing. It's built for marketers, agencies, and business owners focused on strategy and growth. Use Semrush to find content gaps, analyze competitors, and get AI-powered suggestions for new articles. While Screaming Frog fixes your site, Semrush shows you how to attract and convert visitors. Together, they cover both the technical and strategic sides of SEO. Semrush is your roadmap for ranking higher and growing faster. People often ask which is better, Semrush or Screaming Frog, but that's the wrong question. It's like comparing a hammer to a screwdriver. You need both for different jobs. Start with Screaming Frog to fix technical issues, broken links, slow pages, missing meta tags. And once your site is healthy, switch to Semrush for keyword research, competitor analysis, and content strategy. This repair then rank workflow is what separates winning SEO strategies from wasted effort. Imagine investing in content and backlinks only to have technical errors block your progress. Screaming Frog ensures your site is ready. Semrush helps you grow. Use both tools in tandem for maximum impact. Fix first, then focus on growth. That's how you build a sustainable SEO engine in 2025. Even with the most sophisticated tools at your disposal and a well-defined strategy in place, common mistakes can still creep in and ruin your SEO efforts. These errors, often subtle, can significantly impact your website's visibility and organic traffic. Don't focus only on content creation. Ignoring the technical health of your website inevitably leads to poor search engine rankings and frustrated users who quickly abandon your site. A technically sound website is the foundation of any successful SEO strategy. Chasing after popular keywords without truly understanding the underlying user intent is another common pitfall that many marketers stumble into. It's a strategy that often yields disappointing results. Google now prioritizes and rewards content that directly matches what people are actually searching for and want to find. Understanding the why behind the search is crucial. Use tools like Semrush to identify relevant keywords, but always create content that directly and effectively fulfills the searcher's specific intent and provides genuine value. Neglecting the mobile experience and failing to optimize your website's page speed is a critical error that can have severe consequences. Slow loading sites inevitably lose potential visitors and suffer in search engine rankings. Tools like Screaming Frog can be invaluable in helping you quickly spot and efficiently fix these performance-related issues. And finally, don't ignore the power of structured data. Implementing schema markup can significantly boost your website's visibility by enabling rich search results that stand out. Finally, be sure to embrace the AI-powered features available in modern SEO tools like Semrush. They offer invaluable insights and data-driven recommendations that traditional manual methods simply can't match in terms of speed and accuracy. Sticking rigidly to old SEO habits while your competitors are actively leveraging the power of AI is ultimately a losing strategy that will leave you behind. Adapt, evolve, and leverage these advanced tools to maintain a competitive edge and stay ahead in the ever-changing world of SEO. As we look ahead, SEO in 2025 and beyond will be increasingly driven by the power of artificial intelligence. AI is not just a buzzword, it's rapidly becoming the engine that powers search engine optimization. The digital landscape is characterized by rapid change and constant evolution. To succeed, you need to adapt quickly. AI-first tools are now sophisticated enough to predict emerging keyword trends with remarkable accuracy. This allows you to proactively create content before the demand spikes, giving you a significant competitive advantage. Zero-click searches are on the rise, becoming an increasingly important factor in SEO strategy. More and more users are getting answers directly on the search engine results page without ever clicking through to a website. Therefore, it's crucial to optimize your content specifically for featured snippets and direct answers. This is a key strategy to capture this valuable traffic and maintain visibility. Technical excellence is no longer optional, it's non-negotiable for SEO success. Google's core web vitals place a strong demand for websites that are fast, stable, and secure. These factors directly impact your search rankings. Tools like Screaming Frog can be invaluable in helping you maintain these critical technical standards. Structured data is becoming more important than ever before in helping search engines understand the context of your content. Implement schema markup to provide clear signals to search engines, improving their understanding of your content and potentially leading to richer search results. Understanding search intent is becoming increasingly nuanced and complex. Your content must precisely match what users are looking for at each stage of their journey. This could be a quick tip to address an immediate need, or a comprehensive in-depth guide for those seeking detailed information. It's essential to combine human intuition and creativity with data-driven insights. Leverage the power of tools like Semrush to gain a deeper understanding of your competitive landscape and identify opportunities. To thrive in this dynamic environment, stay agile, continuously test new approaches, and keep evolving your SEO strategy. To win at SEO in 2025, combine Screaming Frog and Semrush in a unified workflow. Start with a quarterly Screaming Frog audit. Fix broken links, missing meta tags, and slow pages. Once your site is healthy, use Semrush for keyword research, competitor analysis, and content planning. Fill content gaps and target user intent with every new post. Make this a continuous loop: technical repair, then strategic growth. Track your rankings and traffic, then repeat the process. This cycle keeps your site strong and your growth steady. By leveraging both tools, you'll stay ahead of the competition and build lasting online